I just gobsmacked. There's street art going on here all the time. I didn't expect this. I thought it would all be done. And there's four guys over there. A guy in a red jacket. Excuse me, boss. What's your tag?
Ikes.
Ikes? I-K-E-S?
A-C-H-E-S.
Okay, I've heard of you. Are you from Dublin?
Yeah.
I knew that. Ikes, not Ikes. You got me with the accent there. So that was Ikes up from Dublin. And he doesn't want his face shown, so that's okay. Excellent stuff. This stuff could adorn any modern art gallery. Brilliant stuff. And street art mixed with graffiti here. And this is some traditional excellent graffiti by Shuk, and he's all the way from Limerick, would you believe? And this is just fab. Love this. Love good graffiti. Don't really like poor graffiti. It's poor graffiti is just, well, gets the thing a bad name. Excellent job. Right, take care, good man. Right.